Hello everyone, welcome back to a metal brush. You can see how hard the metal brush is. Let's test it on our product. As you can see, nothing happens. Now we test another model. Now we will do the water test. As you can see, the water flows so fast, it wouldn't stay on the surface. Now we will do the hammer test. Normal clay tile. Okay, stone-coated metal roof tile. As you can see in this test, our new generation stone-coated metal roof tile has passed the test. Fire test. As you can see, we have done the fire test, and I've used the metal brush once again to show you how. As you can see, there is no changing of the color or the quality of the product.